everyone, welcome back to the Grumpy Gill. I'm Chris, and today, boys, we've got Boosh, the purple Gator Jigsaw, grown by the guy I just got off the phone with, Clayton Hollingsworth. We just shot a clip that will probably never see the light of day. He sent over some tincture, and he wanted to be on the phone with me during that video. So we recorded it on my daughter's iPad, and it ended up being a 12-minute video, which I'll figure it out. He said do 4 drops. 4 drops gets him to like a 2. So I did 7. And when it started to heat up, he's all, I was just kidding, man. 1 drop gets me to a 2. And then he starts laughing. It says, I got you. Dude, I'm on the hunt for you, Clayton. Why'd I hold up a knife doing that? I was going to cut the pepper. I love you. I'm not going to cut you. Anyway, we'll edit all that out. This is the purple Gator Jigsaw, grown by Clayton Hollingsworth. Would you look at that, boys? I love the name of this pepper. Right? How can you not? What are you eating today, Chris? The purple Gator Jigsaw? You know you're in trouble, right? Like the purple Gator Jigsaw. Dude, would you look at that though first? I'm all cutting it open, all rude. Dude, this thing is like blood red and burgundy and like purpley black charred marks. And it stinks. Oh. Okay, so we got a lot of stuff going on in here that we can point out. We got a lot of oils, and we got a pepper growing within a pepper. And guess who's going to take that out? I will gag. I don't know what it is about a little fetus inside my pod that makes me sick. But that little guy is going away. I will vomit that out. I'll show you what it looks like. It's just a little baby pod within the pod or something. I got a little ant on there from dropping it. But look at this. Look at those oils, dudes. Look at all that. You're not going to see it, but it's just pools. Pools of pools of pools. Do I even want to do this anymore? Thought about quitting this morning. Goodbye, Grumpy Gill. Clayton to the rescue. We gonna get it. Cheers, boys. The purple Gator Jigsaw. That's pretty fruity, dude. And floral. Oh, and bitter. Fruity, floral, bitter, and oily. That's a purple Gator Jigsaw. And so much pod flesh is stuck in my teeth. You know how much unnecessarily hotter that makes it? For my tongue that's trying to fish it out. We got nothing. We have to endure it. It's a vicious mouth burn. It hurts, it stings, it's got heat. It's got chunk, it's got thin burn, it's got everything. It's a wide profile. And it's mostly in the bottom half of my mouth. So my tongue, under the tongue, my jaw. But it's not coming up my cheeks or into my throat. I don't mean to point at you guys, by the way. Why do I do that? Well, think she's climbed up as far as she's going to go, which is like a 4. But it is a rough 4. If you don't eat these, you're going to be at a 10. If you're new to pods, you'll probably be around an 8. But a delicious 8. Did you see how beautiful that pod was, boys? Good job, Clayton Hollingsworth. And thank you for sending over another fresh box of pods, end of season. And a bottle of chocolate pain, Tink. I say we got lit today, boys, with the Tink. I booted the Tink, by the way. It's hot. And now the purple Gator Jigsaw. Can you hear it? You know what time it is. Much love, Grumpy Gill!